Welcome to Auto Elite. The Tesla Model 3 2026 has officially arrived, and it's bringing with it a new level of innovation, sophistication, and performance that redefines what we expect from an electric vehicle. As Tesla's best-selling model, the Model 3 has played a pivotal role in shaping the electric car landscape. Now, with its 2026 iteration, it takes another leap forward with design tweaks, software enhancements, and technological breakthroughs that not only future-proof the car but also make it a compelling choice for anyone considering going electric. The exterior of the Tesla Model 3 2026 shows a matured yet streamlined design that continues the minimalist Tesla philosophy. The front fascia has been slightly revised to appear sharper and more aggressive, with a sleeker headlight design featuring Tesla's new adaptive LED matrix lighting system. These headlights are not just more energy efficient, but also smarter. They can adjust the light pattern depending on driving conditions, vehicle speed, and even road curvature. The car's profile remains aerodynamic, with door handles that sit flush, frameless windows, and 18 to 20-inch aerodynamic wheels designed to reduce drag and increase range. At the rear, you'll notice new tail lamps with integrated sequential indicators and a reshaped bumper that subtly improves airflow dynamics. Tesla has also introduced a new range of colors including Ultra Red and Stealth Titanium, giving buyers more expressive options than before. Overall, the design tweaks may look minimal at first glance, but they have a measurable impact on efficiency and visual appeal. Inside, the Tesla Model 3 2026 feels more luxurious than ever. The interior has been upgraded with new materials such as vegan leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood accents. The centerpiece remains the 15.4-inch central touchscreen, which now boasts even faster response times, a brighter display, and more intuitive menu organization. Tesla has also reduced the number of physical buttons even further, creating an even cleaner cockpit. Perhaps the biggest change inside the cabin is the new ambient lighting system that can be customized through the interface. From soft blues to vibrant reds, the lighting can adapt to your mood or driving conditions. The sound system has also been significantly improved, featuring Tesla's in-house premium audio with 17 speakers, dual subwoofers, and noise-canceling technology embedded within the cabin structure. Tesla has made significant strides in improving passenger comfort. The seats have been reshaped to provide better lumbar support and are now both ventilated and heated, front and rear. Rear seat legroom has also been slightly improved thanks to better battery packaging and floorpan optimization. Another standout is the new panoramic glass roof with infrared protection, designed to reduce cabin heat while offering stunning sky views. Performance-wise, the Tesla Model 3 2026 comes in three variants: the standard rear-wheel drive, long-range dual-motor all-wheel drive, and the performance trim. The base model gets a range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge, while the long-range version pushes it to nearly 390 miles. The performance model, which now comes with Track Mode 3.0, sprints from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds, delivering adrenaline-fueled excitement every time you press the accelerator. All three versions feature Tesla's updated powertrain software, which improves efficiency and thermal management. The regenerative braking system is now more responsive, allowing for true one-pedal driving even in varying traffic conditions. Tesla has also enhanced suspension tuning across all trims to provide a smoother and more controlled ride, especially on uneven surfaces. Charging infrastructure remains a cornerstone of Tesla's strategy, and with the 2026 Model 3, owners benefit from the latest V4 supercharging network. These new stations can deliver up to 350 kilowatts of power, enabling the Model 3 to charge from 10% to 80% in just under 20 minutes. Tesla's routing system in the navigation now factors in weather conditions, elevation changes, and real-time supercharger availability to optimize your travel time. Tesla has also doubled down on software with the new model. The 2026 Model 3 runs on Tesla OS 12, an operating system that brings faster performance, richer features, and improved customization. One major highlight is Tesla Chat, an AI assistant built into the infotainment system. You can ask it to adjust climate settings, find restaurants, book service appointments, or even tell jokes. The system continuously learns your preferences over time, making the car feel more like a personal assistant than ever. Tesla's full self-driving package is still offered as an optional upgrade, and the 2026 version comes with FSD Beta 12.4. It features improved lane recognition, better roundabout navigation, and smoother decision-making in urban environments. Tesla has also improved the visualizations on the screen so you can see what the car sees, offering transparency and building trust with drivers. Safety is at the core of the Model 3's design. The 2026 model includes a strengthened chassis structure that meets the latest global safety standards. It also introduces Tesla Vision 3.0, a camera-based system that enhances object detection and spatial awareness. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, collision warning, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera system. One of the new additions is a fatigue monitoring system that uses internal cabin cameras to detect driver drowsiness or distraction. If the system determines the driver is not paying attention, it provides visual and audio alerts and can even slow the vehicle down to a stop if needed. In terms of convenience, the 2026 Model 3 includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support for the first time, responding to years of user demand. Tesla's native apps have also been improved, allowing better integration with music streaming, calendar syncing, and remote climate preconditioning. The Tesla app can now also control the frunk and trunk remotely, schedule charging times based on local electricity rates, and track the vehicle in real time. Another game-changing feature is Tesla's smart cabin climate control, which uses cabin sensors and AI to adjust temperature zones based on where passengers are seated. If there's only one person in the car, for instance, it will direct airflow and adjust temperature just for the driver, conserving energy. Over-the-air updates continue to be one of Tesla's strongest advantages. Owners of the 2026 Model 3 can expect continuous software updates that improve everything from performance and range to UI elements and security. This ensures that the car you buy today can actually improve over time, making it a smarter investment in the long run. Tesla is also introducing a new ownership program with the Model 3 2026 called Tesla Flex Lease. It's designed for people who want to drive the latest Tesla models every 2 to 3 years. The program includes full maintenance, insurance options, and even early upgrade paths. This could be especially attractive for tech-savvy buyers who want to stay on the cutting edge without long-term ownership commitments. For those concerned about sustainability, Tesla continues to use ethically sourced materials, solar-powered factories, and a closed-loop battery recycling system. The 2026 Model 3 is built in Giga Berlin, Giga Texas, and Giga Shanghai with the latest efficiency-focused manufacturing techniques. Tesla claims the carbon footprint of building a Model 3 is now 30% lower than it was just 3 years ago. Another interesting aspect is Tesla's commitment to vehicle-to-home integration. With the 2026 Model 3, Tesla introduces limited support for bidirectional charging, allowing the car to serve as a backup power source for your home during outages when paired with a Tesla Powerwall system. This makes the Model 3 not just a car, but a part of your personal energy ecosystem. Pricing remains competitive. The base Model 3 starts at around $39,990 in the US, the long range comes in at about $48,990, and the performance trim is priced around $54,990. Tesla also offers various incentives depending on your location, including tax credits and reduced registration fees. With fuel savings, low maintenance costs, and high resale value, the Model 3 continues to be one of the most economically sound choices in its class. From a user experience perspective, the Tesla Model 3 2026 delivers on almost every front. It's not just an EV, it's a platform that combines clean energy, cutting-edge software, safety, and minimalist luxury. Whether you're looking for daily commuting comfort, spirited weekend drives, or a tech-savvy ride that feels futuristic, the new Model 3 has something for everyone. It's clear that Tesla has listened to feedback from its user base and focused on elevating the experience without changing the core identity of the car. The result is a machine that feels evolved, intuitive, and exciting to drive. As competition in the EV space heats up, Tesla proves with the Model 3 2026 that it still sets the benchmark, not just in range or acceleration, but in how a car integrates with your life. The 2026 Model 3 is more than just an update. It's a clear signal that Tesla intends to stay ahead, innovate faster, and deliver experiences that feel magical to drivers. Whether you're already a Tesla owner or considering your first EV, the Model 3 2026 deserves a close look. It blends performance, tech, and affordability in a way that no other electric car in its class currently offers. So if you're thinking of upgrading or making the leap into the electric revolution, the Tesla Model 3 2026 is not just an option. It may be the smartest choice you make this year.